What's up, guys? Explorer Jackson here. So today we're going to be talking about something that you might know and you might not know. Okay, so proper use of handcuffs, guys. So first, we're going to be talking about hinged handcuffs. Hinged. So, if you want to be using hinged, you should either be using it for somebody that's resisting arrest, or to somebody that has bigger hands. Because in that case, because hinged aren't longer, they are shorter, so they keep somebody more secure, and they're bigger, so then bigger hands can fit in them. So that's what you want to use. That's why you use hinged. So that's what you use hinged for. Then chain handcuffs, guys, you just want to be, so chained is someone that's not resisting arrest and they're cooperating. So that's, and if they have smaller hands, but if they're resisting and they have smaller hands, just put hinged on them. It doesn't matter. But that's what I prefer. I don't know what you guys prefer. My friend, he prefers putting chain on people that are resisting, and have bigger hands. But I don't prefer that because I think hinged is bigger than chained. So that's just my side of looking at it. And one more time, I'm going to be showing you where I'm putting my handcuffs on my belt. So I'm going to have hinged and chained handcuffs and two holsters, okay, guys? So this, you guys already saw this, but this is the duty belt, right? So find the most open spot. Right, it's right here. Right here, guys. So I'm going to try to be fitting two pairs of handcuffs right here. And then my plan is to put a taser on this yellow here. So that's just the open spots, and I'm going to be getting a vest soon. So I'll be carrying more things, yeah. So yeah, this is where I'm putting them. So do you think there's enough room? Comment down below if you think there's enough room for two pairs of handcuffs to go here, guys. Okay, so like I said, so yeah, hinged are more they're the best ones to use, in my opinion. I don't know in your opinion, but that's just my opinion. So I just use hinged for resisting and bigger hands. But even if they're not resisting and they have bigger hands, I still use hinged because they have bigger hands. I'll try chain because it'll probably fit, but sometimes if you're not trying to be rude, overweight, you have bigger hands. Me personally, I would fit in chains. So yeah, I would fit in chains. And if you put it on an overweight person chains, it's gonna feel it's gonna feel so tight on them. gonna feel like this is pushing against you this much. Like, that's gonna hurt. Like, it's gonna be, yeah, that'll hurt, guys. So, I recommend the first thing you pull out, the first thing you would pull out, you first look at the guy that you're about to arrest. You look at him. You look at his wrist, right? His wrist, right here. So you look at it. So you compare it with the handcuffs. Would it fit? See, look at the top. Like, he could be like this, like standing, or like this. So you can compare his wrist right here. So, like, I would fit in any pair of handcuffs. Personally, that's my opinion on myself. But, like, except baby handcuffs. But, like, if, like, I were to, like, some cops accidentally pull out chain handcuffs when the suspect's hands are too small or big, and they just made a big mistake. Just saying, because that person, the cop wouldn't know if it was small or tight. And of course, the suspect wouldn't tell him if his hands were too small. He'd tell him if they were too tight, because the suspect would be like, these are too tight when they're too small. So then he can get out more. Like, then if he said that, the cop would say, nope, I'm not fixing them, or he would fix them, but he would look at them and he would be like, those are too small. So then he would just tighten them. And let's just say you're arresting an 8-year-old, because you could. Let's just say you're arresting an 8-year-old, okay? So an 8-year-old would need chained handcuffs. In my opinion. So that's just my opinion on what an 8-year-old would need, guys. Because I think that's, if an 8-year-old had handcuffs on, that's just pretty mean anyways. To be honest, I think everyone deserves a chance to be let in chained handcuffs, and like, so yeah, that's just my opinion. So guys, I'm probably gonna do another video today. I don't know on what, but it smells bad. I don't know what it is, but I am going to be doing another video today. So, peace out, guys. Hope you have a really good rest of your day. And I hope you grow up and you don't be like a bad person. Like, say you murdered someone. I don't want you to be like that. I want you to be a nice person. Maybe just go to... No, I don't even want you guys to go to jail or anything. Okay? So, be a good person. Be a cop. Cops are fun, dude. You carry all the gear. You get to tackle people. The only thing that's not nice about being a cop is the paperwork. So, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.